Getting list of parameter names inside Python function. Possible duplicate. Getting method parameter names in Python. Is there an easy way to be inside a Python function and get a list of the parameter names? For example, thanks.
Locals returns a dictionary with local names. Prints the list of parameters. If you use other local variables, those will be included in this list. But you can make a copy at the beginning of your function.
So for getting arguments list alone use.
If you also want the values, you can use the inspect module.
Well, we don't actually need inspect here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.